Pick up the trash, and where are you gonna put that? Very good. In. Upper trash bin. Okay, one more trash for bring. Alright, nobody? We're gonna do that? Very good. One more trash for cans. For cans? Pick up the trash. We're gonna do that? Upper trash. Very good. So if the birds can do it, well, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy the show. We're the Birds Spectacular. In our own way, no matter how small, let's take action in saving them from exploitation and even extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving the world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. So now I'm going to present to you the people and birds who made the show possible. Trigger Malvin with Chance, Trigger Aaron with Dazzle,